Samsung has just introduced its latest clamshell flagship, the Samsung W2018 in China, and it's the first smartphone in the world to have a camera lens aperture as wide as f1.5. Previously, the record was held by the LG V30 and its f1.6. What's lens aperture important for, you ask? Well, it determines two things: light that enters the sensor at the time of shutter press and the depth of field. The former is self-explanatory: more light means better low-light shots and less blur in general, as the shutter snap time can be much faster. A shallow depth of field means you get better macro or portrait shots where the background blur is much more pronounced, separating the objects in your photo better. The W2018 is a top-shelf device through and through with a Snapdragon 835 SoC, 6GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, two 4.2-inch FHD 1080 by 1920 displays, one outside the shell and one inside, and a 12MP camera sensor with 1.4 pixels, pretty much the same sensor as in the Galaxy S8, at least on paper. If Samsung were to sell the W2018 in Western markets, would you be all over it?